A lot of France, guys. Lots of.
Okay, thank you. 34 Alpha Tango, 000, separation, Oscar.
34 Alpha Tango, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63. QSL, the name here is Nick, November Echo Kilo, and I'm in Toronto, Canada, with the window antenna on the 3rd floor. Back to you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, 73s. Enjoy the weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye. I couldn't get his call sign, guys. Today's, this weekend until the 13th, until the 14th is World Radio Day. And DX is booming. Europe all over the place. It was 34 Alpha Tango. Then I didn't get the rest of them. 34 Alpha Tango, you want to repeat your call sign one more time if you are still here?
Yes, my call sign is 34 Alpha Tango, 000, separation, Oscar. 34 Alpha Tango, 000, separation, Oscar.
QSL, my friend, QSL. I'm making a video. I'm going to post it on YouTube. The group is called Ontario CB Club. We are on Facebook and on YouTube. And I'm recording this conversation. I'm going to put it on YouTube for you.
No problem. You are 5 by 6, 5 by 7. Okay, thank you for your call.
73, you're 5 by 6 here in Toronto, Canada. 9 Oscar Charlie, 63. Over and out. Thank you.
Thank you for Canada. Thank you.
All right. We did it, guys. 34 Alpha Tango, 000. Separation Oscar. These are all call signs for the World Radio Day, and people in Europe, they take DX seriously, as you can see, and they're all over the band, all over the frequency. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. 73.